This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make jackfruit popsicles. To begin, you'll need a few simple ingredients. Start with about 1.5 cups of ripe jackfruit, 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. The key to delicious popsicles is using sweet, ripe jackfruit. Also, make sure you have your popsicle molds and sticks ready for later steps. This simple combination creates a wonderfully tropical treat. Now, let's prepare the star ingredient, the jackfruit. First, carefully remove all the seeds and any tough, inedible core from the jackfruit arils. This ensures a smooth popsicle texture. Once cleaned, roughly chop the jackfruit flesh into smaller pieces. This step makes blending much easier and helps achieve a consistent puree. If you're using canned jackfruit, remember to drain and rinse it well to get rid of any excess syrup. With your jackfruit prepared, it's time to blend everything into a delicious puree. Add the chopped jackfruit, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener to a high-speed blender. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully creamy, ensuring no fibrous bits remain. Give it a taste. You can add more sweetener if desired, or a small squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. Finally, let's get these delicious treats ready for the freezer. Carefully pour the smooth jackfruit mixture into your popsicle molds, filling each one about 3/4 of the way. This allows for a little expansion during freezing. Next, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Place the filled molds in your freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even better, let them freeze overnight until they are perfectly solid and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.